Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Susie. For those of you who just joined in, I do makeup videos here on YouTube. If you reach the end of this video and you like the content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So for today's video, well, I really wanted to do this because aside from the fact that my lipstick collection has been growing, I really wanted to show you what lipstick formulas really work on my 40-something skin. So, yung mga 40-something dyan, halika kayo dito kayo sa harapan para makita ninyo ano yung mga recommendations ko dito sa video na to para sa ating skin. Yung mga lipstick products ngayon, ang dami na talagang innovation. May lip oil, may lip treatment type of lippies, may mga bi-face lipsticks or liquid lipsticks that I actually don't really understand to this day kung paano sila, kung ano talaga sila, ano yung mga yun. And it can get really overwhelming and there will be many times that you will be buying lipstick that will not do its work on your now slightly mature mid-age lips like mine. So with that said, I'm gonna discuss here the type. First, the type of lipstick. Second, the finish. Third, the longevity. And then last, the comfort of each lipstick that I will be recommending to you today. So let us not wait any further. Let's do it. So to start off our lipstick recommendations today, I would like to do first these three. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Medium, the Lip Cheat in Pillow Talk, and then the Lip Glass. The finish of these two are matte, and then this one is glossy. Every time I wear this, talagang I really appreciate the quality of these products kasi they really work together well. These two can work together as a matte lippy, but this one on top, it creates that beautiful glassy lip na perfect sa ating mga 40-something kasi ang ganda niya. It adds moisture to the lips, and every time you wear this, it does not bleed, but instead, it absorbs by your lips. Let's try it. So first, lagay muna tayo ng lip balm. Today, I'm using the Chapstick Candy Cane Lip Balm. So guys, any lip balm that works for you, use it, especially at your age when you're 40-something. You need it. Why? Because it will help in the gliding of any lip product like this one. Normally, I really shade the entire lip because every time I wear a lip product that's a bit moisturizing or even matte, when it comes off, it leaves like a line on my lips. Okay, next is the lipstick, which is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk in Medium. Guys, when this first came out, I really wanted one. It was so beautiful. The shade is so pretty. But the only setback of this, it's a matte lipstick, but it comes off so easily. But them together, some longevity for sure. See, ang ganda, diba? You can stop here. You can use this lipstick as it is. Pero ako, I always use it with this one. Guys, this is like magic. Una, when you apply it, it does not disrupt any of the lipstick that you applied on. And then, ayan siya. Before, I would always say na hindi siya comfy kapag ito lang kasi sobrang lagkit niya. Pero, ang kagandahan sa kanya, kapag nilagyan mo ng balm underneath, nakakat niya yung stickiness. I guess nag-mimix silang lahat dyan, so hindi na ngayon uncomfortable to wear. It is now easy to wear. So, the longevity for this, I have to say, you're gonna wear it a long time. Pero, when it comes off, syempre, you really have to retouch. Walang choice. But the beauty of these three is that when it comes off, it really just comes off. Walang naiiwang residue of any kind. Normally, whenever I would wear cream lipsticks, the outline of my lips, naiiwanan niya ng lip products. And it does not look cute. It does not look pretty at all. That's why I really love them together. because it makes your lips look a bit youthful. It has like that beautiful rosy shade. And yun nga, it makes your lip look a bit plump and nice. If you haven't had any Charlotte Tilbury products, these are the three to get. All right, my next recommendation, the Revlon Super Lustrous Cream Lipsticks. Para sa ating mga 40s women, eto talaga, super recommended ko sila. Pero, yung sinasabi ko kanina, nag-iiwan ng outline sa lips, sadly, sila yon. I don't know kung ako yon, kung dahil lang sa type of lips that I have or whatever, pero sila yung nag-iiwan. Pero wait lang, recommended ko pa rin sila. Bakit? Let me show you now. Let me just remove the lipstick that I applied, which is going to hurt me later. Ayan o. See what I mean about the Charlotte Tilbury? Hindi nagiiwan. Okay, I'm gonna show you this time. Sisingit ko na rin itong AC Solar Bomb. Kinuha ko to for the purpose of whenever I would want to wear like just a balm, yung gusto ko lang moisturize yung lips, ito yung gagamitin ko. Kasi ito, it only leaves like a hint of a shade and then that's it. And then, just like the Charlotte Tilbury, it absorbs into your skin. It doesn't bleed or like give you like a mushy lip. It really just helps in absorbing. And this is also a recommendation for you 40-something ladies or older kasi this helps in the moisture of your lips. You really need it. Ayan, super moisturized na ang lips natin ngayon. So, we're gonna move on to the Revlon. The very new shade that I have is the Cherries in the Snow. I actually bought the Issey Lip Bullet in pink, but I couldn't pass this up. This is so good talaga. So, I'm gonna wear it now. But wait, pala. Because this lipstick leaves an outline, let me just put on a lip liner. And the only lip liner that I have in pink is the BYS one. Guys, maganda rin to. Itong lip liner ng BYS. Let me show you. Ayan, oh. Pretty, right? Kahit yan lang, okay ka. Ayan, no? Okay ka na eh. Pero para lang walang maiwang outline, gamitin mo talaga yung lip liners mo. Alright, see? That's a really pretty outcome. And then, this is super moisturizing na. But the good thing about the cream lipsticks of Revlon is that it's not like a super glossy type of cream lipstick. It's cream, but the pigment and the color payoff of this is so pretty, as in. See? This is like a super OG shade, Cherries in the Snow. So again, the Revlon is a cream lipstick. You will wear it a long time, but definitely you have to reapply when you eat or you drink. Hindi siya kiss-proof. Let me show you But the good thing about this, ayan no, tatak talaga yung lip shade mo. Hindi siya easily removable. Yun naman, may maiiwan na shade sa lips mo. Except lang talaga, nagiiwan siya ng outline sa lips mo kapag hindi ka nag-retouch. So, for the comfort, guys, super wearable. Like, hindi ka magdadalawang isip sa mga Revlon lipsticks kahit yung matte nila, I have to say. Kasi, very wearable, moisturizing on the lips, hindi masakit, walang sting or whatever. It's really a good product. Kaya naman siya OG, guys, ang tagal na ng Revlon at alam na nila talaga yung formulation nila. So, next are my matte lip bullets. So, guys, these are the ones that I normally use. Kasi ito yung pinaka-wearable or pinaka-comfy na matte lipsticks na meron ako. You already know, I've already swatched the MAC one. Especially this new formulation, the Maximal matte lipsticks of MAC. They are now better, I have to say. Kasi in the past, talagang hindi mo ma-swipe properly yung Ruby Woo. Kasi sa sobrang matte na formula niya. kinakailangan ko lagi noon ng lip balm para lang mas-swatch ko or mailagay ko yung buong shade. But now, the Maximal Lippy is so wearable. You will wear this a very long time. And the matte lipstick, it's also kiss-proof. It's not gonna bleed on you. And just everything. All good things to say about this Lippy because it's really that good. Another one, a new discovery that I have is the lip bullet of Issey. Ang ganda rin niya, guys. This one is pink also that if you've seen my recent video, this is the one that I used. But the only setback of this, I think this is like a powder formula. This is matte. This is like a powder type of lipstick. It's really, really nice on the lips. Except, it comes off easily. Pero for the shade, it's a really rich type of pink. But the good thing about this, it's also very wearable. Masarap siya sa lips, hindi siya pangit. This one now is the lip bullet of BYS. Sorry, kalat-kalat na kasi ganyan talaga ako gumamit. Sige, let me just apply this for you. And then once again, removing. Oh, there you go. Now I know how to use this na, yung Revlon. So guys, look nung tinanggal ko, may naiiwan talagang shade. And then, once again, apply your balms. Apply also your lip liners so that it comes off as that. Yan kahit na matanggal, may shade ka pa rin, hindi tanggal lahat. At for this matte lippy, I will use the Ruby Woo lip liner for this, okay? Once again, let us apply my balm. Guys, every time, wear a lip balm. Again, the lip liner helps in making sure that when you apply your lipstick and when you wear it, and when it comes off, ito yung nagiiwan ng shade. And normally, pinapaabot ko talaga hanggang loob. And by the way, the MAC lip liners are matte, but I really love them because it's not the same as other lip liners na yung uso ngayon, I'm not sure if it's also called a bi-face, but some lip liners, when you apply them, you don't have time to fix it. Why? Kasi tuyo agad, which I am not 100% a fan of kasi it's harder to manipulate. Kaya kung nagkamali ka ng at natuyo agad, hindi mo na maayos. And see how pretty. I mean, you can't go wrong with MAC. Ito, hindi pa to masyadong na-feature sa aking channel na ginamit ko lang siya nung nag-rate ako ng red lipsticks. Let me show you why I really like this lipstick. Diba? There you go. This is, by the way, BYS Be Free. And the shade is tulip, like red tulips, right? So for matte lipsticks, I don't normally use mga nude shades. I would wear matte in brown, hot pink, red. But never the nude or like the light pink ones because I feel like every time I wear them, kitang-kita mo talaga yung dryness ng lips mo. Unlike pag red, parang hindi. Dahil medyo dark siya. So, always go for matte lipsticks that are still a bit moisturizing on the lips. And then, make sure that you apply a lip liner underneath so that pag natatanggal siya, hindi siya mukhang tacky. Kasi kapag dry talaga, mas nakakatanda yung itsura, syempre. And then, syempre, kawawa din naman yung lips natin. Isipin din natin siya, kailangan niya ng moisture. Kung kinakailangan natin gumamit ng matte lipstick for a certain occasion, just make sure that the matte lippies that you have in your kit are always the ones that are very nourishing on your lips despite it being matte. Alright, next on my list is the Fenty MVP liquid lipstick. We're moving on now dun sa mga liquid lipsticks na matte. With all the matte liquid lipsticks that I have tried in the market, this is the best one. And this is the one I would always recommend you to use. The only setback of this, so expensive. It's like 1,850 per stick. But guys, sulit siya talaga. The formula, I think this is also like, I'm not sure if this is a biface. You don't need to shake it. It's not gonna dry entirely on your lips whenever you use it. It will just do its job. Longevity, matagal. Comfort, super comfortable. Out of all the liquid lipsticks that I have, ito ang the best. So, let's put it on. For the Fenty one, I will apply another lip liner and it's sobrang liit na pero ginagamit ko pa rin. It's the MAC one in Cherry. Even for this liquid lipstick, I need a lip liner because it has the tendency talaga to bleed no matter what. Kahit anong gamitin ko, I think it's also my lips, ganun talaga. Now, the Fenty MVP. So, ito lang setback nito, super messy siya. From time to time, kailangan mo talagang, teka, let me just shake it ha. Ayun, oh, lumabas tuloy yung ang daming product niya talaga. So, first here, see what I mean? It has a very precise wand, which I really love. And, see yo, yung feel niya talaga sa lip, sobrang sarap. Very powdery type, but it feels like a mousse. And it's super moisturizing. It's really kind of moisturizing. That's why I really love this. Okay, longevity, again, very long. The finish, it's matte that you don't feel like it's gonna dry out so easily, which is true for this product. It's not gonna dry out so easily. And the comfort of it while you wear it, sarap. Talagang you have that red lip all throughout the day. You're not gonna worry about this kasi it's gonna be this good no matter what. The only setback, it's not kiss proof. Last but definitely not the least on my collection is the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Liquid Lipsticks. Okay, these liquid lipsticks I think are the ones you call the biface because you shake them, then you apply them, and then you let it dry. Now, they're the last because these are the ones that are so hard to remove. Kaya hinuli ko sila. So, do I actually recommend these? Uunahin ko na yon. These are the least of the matte liquid lipsticks that I will recommend because they are super pigmented. They are super long lasting, wearable. However, they are not the best in comfort. Talagang I've tried everything to make it work with these lipsticks. The Pioneer, among all of these lipsticks, the red is the most wearable one. Okay? Kasi ito yung parang hindi halatang sobrang nagda-dry down talaga sa lips mo yung quality nito. Although sobrang galing naman talaga, hindi talaga natatanggal. Yun naman yun. Pero I bought this around May last year. And every time I wore it, it was comfy. But when I wore them again around December, it was so drying. I think it's also the weather that we have here in the Philippines. So excited ako ulit gamitin to para makita ko talaga ano nga ba ang deal. Bakit parang mas wearable siya pag summer. Sige, gamitin na natin. Let me just take off this Fenty lipstick. So for the Maybelline Superstay Liquid Lipsticks, I will use the shade Amazonian. I'm not gonna use the red because you already know that that is my number one recommendation with these all four shades that I have. This is like the shade that I really wanted to purchase after the Pioneer one because it's a really nice brown. Again, I've applied lip balm because it's just, I really need it. And then, applying now the Flesh lip liner. Hindi raw ito okay suotin kapag meron ka pang ibang nilalagay na product. Hindi ko talaga siya magamit kapag wala. Kasi sobrang dry ng lips ko. Kailangan ko talaga ng lip balm. Pero ang bango nito. Yun lang masasabi ko. Super bango. Let it dry down a little bit. Okay, I got the application right this time. Because there are days I could not. Talagang hindi ko to mai-apply ng sobrang ganda. I don't know why. Parang with these shades, namimili talaga ng magandang application. The darker ones will always look good. So ayan, it's starting to dry down. So what I like about this, it is kiss proof. Ay hindi. Or wait, kasi hindi pa siya nagda-dry. Yan. Okay, this is another technique that I do. Over time, nagiging super dry talaga siya. And kitang-kita mo yung parang lines ng lips mo after. Which to me, talagang medyo hassle. I don't like it. And then, whenever I use this lipstick, I make sure to bring a balm with me. You know why? Because I have to apply the balm and remove it. Yun ang pantanggal ko ng lipstick na to because I cannot for sure retouch without removing the excess or whatever is left on the lips. Papangit talaga siya. So, pero guys, sa longevity, sobrang tagal. Okay, sa comfort, masasabi ko naman medyo comfy siya. Pero pag matagal mo na tong suot, ramdam mo na yung dryness. Kaya I would recommend them kapag around summertime dito sa atin. Pag medyo mainit, kapag medyo pinapawisan ka. Kasi moisturized ka ngayon eh. Mas moisturized ang skin mo dahil summer, mas may oils na napoproduce yung skin mo. Kaya, nag-work siya. I guess, yun ang pinaka-recommendation ko sa mga lipsticks na to. Suotin mo siya pag summer. So, ayan. Tapos na tayo. Napakita ko na sa inyo actually yung collection ko. I really, really wanted to share these to you kasi nakita ko talaga yung difference ng applying on lipstick when I was in my 20s and now that I'm in my 40s, talagang ibang-iba na yung requirements na kailangan ko in a lipstick. Kaya minabuti kong i-share sa inyo lahat ng aking experience with the products that I have actually bought. So, with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video and I really sure hope to see you again on the next. Have a great day, guys. Goodbye.